Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this episode we're going to see face authentication and fingerprint authentication using Maui.Biometric plugin in .NET MAUI. So let's get started. So let's switch to Visual Studio. Go to NuGet Packet Manager. Search for Plugin.Maui.Biometric. Install this. I have already installed it. So let's go to next step, that we need to add some permissions for Android and iOS. Let's switch to Android.manifest.xml. Open this with XML text editor. Paste this. Open info.plist. Let's open in XML format. Open with XML text editor. We need to add this NS face ID users description in info.plist. Let's go at the bottom and paste this. And in Maui program.cs we need to add this one to register iBiometric into dependency service so that it can be injected in all the constructors. So let's copy this and paste builder.services.add singleton and register iBiometric as a default authentication service. Okay, so let's switch to main page.xaml.cs. we have a event on button click. Let's add some code here, that is where result is equal to await biometric authentication service dot default dot authenticate async. Add a new authentication request. Let's have this. Let's pass cancellation token as none for now. Here let's have title something called biometric authentication, and we need to have negative text compulsory, at least for Android. Okay, cancel authentication. Let's check the result. If result dot status authentication success, response status is success, then let's display some alert, else display authentication failed alert. Okay, so I'll open plain app to show this. So https plain advanced, proceed to this. Let's start a screen mirroring. Yeah, it is here. And let's run the app. Let's see. Let's go here. Let's click on this button. See, I have got this, but I'm not sure why it is not showing. I can scan. You can see biometric authentication successful. If I click me again, if I cancel, biometric authentication failed. I'm getting both. Okay, so I guess that's it for this video. And if you have any doubts, please drop a comments, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.